Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into my 2023 Chevy Colorado. If you guys follow along and know about the newly released Chevy Colorado, they have the work truck, they have the LT, they have the Trail Boss, they have the Z71 and the ZR2. The Z71 having the interior that I desire, while the Trail Boss having the exterior that I desire. The ZR2 has best of both worlds, but is more than what I'm willing to pay for a mid-sized truck. So ultimately I decided to go with the Trail Boss, thinking that the money that I saved I could put towards customizing the Trail Boss in order to have a truck that's more suited for me. So while there are some things about the Trail Boss I wish were more like the Z71, the main thing being, and the one thing that drives a lot of people away from the Trail Boss, is the fact that you only have a cloth interior option. There is no leather option. That's why I'm glad I know about a company like Katzkin that provide a luxury reupholstery for many different makes and models. I reached out to them to see if they were willing to work with me to reupholster the truck and to provide you guys with an in-depth review on how the process works, the quality of material you're getting, and just how easy or difficult this whole process is. So I really hope you guys find this enjoyable and helpful. Keep in mind that even if you already have leather, if it's worn out or maybe it's just not your style, Katzkin's offers many different styles. You can get custom stitching, you can get heated and cooled seats, and when you get it professionally installed, you get a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So while this isn't going to be cheap like buying your cheap seat covers, you're getting a full reupholstery for a fraction of what it would cost to bump up to the next trim level or something along those lines depending on your situation. So it's a good option and something to keep in mind if yours is either worn out or you just want leather interior. So I could even get the Z71 interior if I wanted, but they have so many other options I decided to go with something a little bit more custom and fitted for my needs. So I'm going to take you through the website, show you exactly how that works and the process of getting a professional installer scheduled and you dropping your vehicle off. It usually takes a day and then you have your new interior. And I will also show you the interior before, during, and after so you can get an idea of the entire process. So let's go ahead and get into this. If you guys enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So here we're at the Katzkin website. I'm just going to quickly run through it for you guys. So if you guys want, I will have this link down in the description. So if you want to check out the designs that they have available for your vehicle, or if you have a Colorado, or if you're looking at making contact with them, maybe with some more in-depth questions or something that I can't answer, the tab right over here on the top right will take you to the contact page where you have their hours and location, as well as a couple phone numbers and a way to email them with any questions you may have. And then from the home page, you will see something like this. You literally just click start here. You put in your vehicle's year, make, model, and trim level if available. And then all you simply do is click next. An image of your vehicle may pop up. Click next, and then here you're going to see the pre-designed options that they have available. But keep in mind, even if you can't pick one of these and you want something a little bit different, select one that's close to what you may have in mind, and then when you submit this, they're going to contact you via phone, email, or text message, and you can talk with them directly and tell them exactly what you want to kind of make your own personal design. So I'm just going to quickly show you some of the options that they have, and then we'll get into the last step. And then don't click the choose this design. If you want to see a little bit more information on the one that you may like, click on the actual picture, and then at the bottom of the picture you're going to see the information. Like this one's a black wrap with Barracuda yellow combo, hyper yellow wings, hyper yellow contrast, and all stitching. So it's going to provide you a little bit more details on that seat combination. And then if you guys know, the Z71 Colorado comes with an interior just like this one. So if you like that interior, but you unfortunately have cloth and you want this is an option, which is a nice addition. So it's nice to see that they've came up with the Z71 design, and they've even went a step further, kept the same design, but offered a couple different color options. And also keep in mind, you can customize it on top of that, but you can see just a few of the different options. Like here's a black suede center section with blue wings, and then the black leather on the outside, and then just some of the other options that they have available. So my truck is white with the black trim. My three favorite colors are white, black, and red, so I decided on this one, which is the red wrap
black faces, perforated combo, pearl contrast, all stitching. So it's going to have white stitching with the red sides and black faces. I think it's a good design. I really like it. I think if it was red on the faces, it'd be too much. I don't want to be overbearing with the red. So I think with the black on the front or bottom and back, I think that's a really good design. And then the red on the sides is just going to add just enough color but not being too much. So I think it's a really good design. I think it's going to look great in my truck. So that's the one I chose, so we'll just go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you just input your zip code. This is going to help them find installers in your area because they're based out of California, but they have thousands of professional installers all over the United States. Once you've done that, you've basically finished everything. You're going to input your name, email, phone number. Here you can select whether you want heated or cooled seats or both. And then once you click submit, they're going to contact you via phone, email, or text. And you can tell them the things you want to change, if you want to customize it. And then they're going to provide you with one or more professional installers in your area, so you can select. And then they can either contact them and set up an installation for you, or you can contact the shop directly to plan out what works best for you. And then also keep in mind, you can have this shipped directly to you, the material shipped directly to you, or you can ship it to the shop, so you can just drop your vehicle off. And usually I think they said it takes a day. I get mine done here in a couple days, so we're about to find out. But that's it as far as the website. Let's go ahead and check out the truck so you guys can see what it looks like before we get this Katzkin installed.
So here's my Trail Boss. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior that you get with the 2023 Colorado, since leather is not an option. So here's just a quick look at the interior so you guys can see what the before is. The only real like non-cloth is this, which is like a leather-like material. And then there's like a rubber on this armrest here. Other than that, that's the only other material in the interior. The seats are in all black, kind of gray cloth. And while the seats are comfortable, I just don't care for the cloth, and I really wanted a leather option. So I'll just quickly show you guys the rear of the vehicle now. That didn't come with it. So very plain. I mean, it's not bad, it's fine. Like I said, they are comfortable. It's just plain, and I prefer leather. So let's go ahead and get this thing dropped off and see what it looks like afterwards. So we made it back home. You guys should have seen the footage of the install of some of the material. Obviously, it is not just a seat cover, it's a full reupholstery. They removed the old, installed the new. And as far as pricing, it's going to depend on the size of vehicle, whether it be a single, double, triple row vehicle. And it's going to range anywhere from about $1,000 to $2,500, and then an additional cost on top of that if you want to do something like the heated and cooled seats as well. But you can always get those done at a later time as well. You don't have to get them done at the same time. But let's go ahead and take a look. I just did the seats. I didn't do heated or cooled, but here it is. I think it turned out amazing. The fitment's great. The quality feels fantastic. And I think the red isn't too much. I think it's just enough accent to really set it apart from others. And I'm extremely happy with it. So just give you guys a quick look at everything. The
back of the seats are red, and it's a little bit much, but I think it still looks great. There's plenty of black in here to still set the red off, and it is nice now. We have seat back pockets, which we didn't have before, so that's nice. Here's the back seat. I think this back headrest is just absolutely ridiculous, but I think it looks good. So that is the interior that I chose for my 23 Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Once again, I'll have the Katzkin website down in the description for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to help wherever I can. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.